actors and just self-promotion, because it's something, there's a learning curve. It's something we all have to figure out. And I found your book, got your book, went to your website, and your voice, your positivity, even in the email exchanges, comes through so much. And I've been so very much looking forward to meeting you and introducing you to everyone.
Oh,
so thank you so much for being here.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Hi, everybody.
So,
hi.
Yeah, I don't know, Carla, if you have an introduction, and then we can go around and everyone can introduce themselves to you.
Yes, and then when we formally get started, I have like a little video introduction too. That's kind of cute.
Oh,
but yeah. So I'm Carla Renata, and I go by a plethora of different monikers, but I'm primarily an actress, just like a lot of y'all. And I have been an actress for over 20 years. So I'm a lot older than what I look like. But I've been an actress for 20 plus years, and I've done everything from commercials to voiceovers to television to hosting. If you name it, I've pretty much done it. The only thing I haven't done, I think, is be in a movie. And I think I did like an indie film, a little short film, but that wouldn't be really a movie. But anyway, I was it was like nobody saw it. It's not a big deal. I was a publicist for over 20 years. I've been an actress for over 20 years. I am a film critic. My film critic company is called The Curvy Critic. I have a podcast that goes along with that on YouTube. It's called The Curvy Critic with Carla Renata, and it's at Black Hollywood Live. I do it every Sunday at 5:00. The Branding Buddha, I'll talk about that a little bit, but that's my branding company where I go into colleges and high schools, and I usually teach for students that are juniors and seniors, because I believe, like myself, I wasn't armed with the tools when I came out of school. I had to kind of figure it out. Mm-hmm. So I'm like, okay, let me write this book for people that are trying to figure it out so that they don't have to. Because I did all the hard, like Lonnie Love's book says, I did all the hard work so you don't have to. Mm-hmm. So that's my situation. And yeah, I'm happy to be here and talk to y'all and share and, do anything I can to help you along in your journey, because it is a journey,
Excellent. And I say that often. I'm such a firm believer in that we should learn as much as we can from as many people as we can. So again, I'm so excited to have you here just to